When is an equation called an identity, prove the trigonometric identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Let us consider triangle A, B, C, right angle at B. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Divide each term by AB square, that is AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square is equal to AC square by AB square. 1 plus BC by AB whole square is equal to AC by AB whole square. Here AB is base, BC is vertical side, AC is hypotenuse for angle A. 1 plus V by B whole square is equal to H by B whole square. 1 plus here vertical side by base is equal to tan A, that is tan square A is equal to hypotenuse by base is equal to secant A, that is secant square A. Therefore, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Hence, proved.